Let me introduce our SRP-03 security display, okay, standalone. This is the decoder, the adapter, okay, the main alarm, okay, the cable sensor. First step, we connect the adapter. Then we connect the cable at here. Okay, then first step, remove the sticker. To stick on the table. Second, remove the cable sensor sticker. Stick back of the mobile. Once beep, it means security alarm activity. Then connect charging. Now you see, now it's alarming. Okay, remove the sticker. Remove the sticker of the decoder. Release the alarm. Okay, once again, stick back. Once beep, it means security again. Now you see it's charging. It's charging. It's charging. Okay. Then it looks like this. All right. If even somebody remove here, it will be beep, will be alarm. All right. Then release the alarm. That's all.